everyone. Thank you for joining me today. I'm Keri Glassman, a registered dietitian nutritionist, founder of Nutritious Life and the Nutritious Life Studio, author, entrepreneur, and a mom. I'm going to help you, beginning right this minute, embark on your very own unique journey to better health and happiness, or what I like to call living a nutritious life. So when I began this journey of becoming a registered dietitian, I knew that I didn't just want to educate people on nutrition alone. Because you know what? When it comes to living your most nutritious life and being your healthiest you, there's a whole lot more to consider than just the foods you eat. That's right, it's not all about the food. Ever notice how when you sleep better, you're more motivated to eat well? It's not a coincidence. That was just a teaser, by the way. And this is why I'm here to teach you not just about food and what you eat, but about 8 different pillars that go into living a truly nutritious life. When it comes to living a nutritious life, you've got to remember to consider all 8 pillars of a nutritious life equally. They all work together. And as I'll explain to you, they all work together behaviorally and physiologically. And I am so excited to teach you all about it. Do you want to drink up, eat empowered, live consciously, love more, nurture yourself, sleep deep, stress less, and sweat often your way to a healthier and happier life? Well, let's get started. When I started counseling people over 2 decades ago, wow, there was one thing that I said I was going to do from the very beginning, or rather, one thing that I wasn't going to do. I wasn't going to educate people on diet and nutrition alone. And here is why. I knew from personal experience and from many years of research that if you just learn what to eat, well, you know what? It's just not enough. There is so much more that goes into being a healthy human. Many of us know what to eat, but we're still not doing it. And there are many reasons why we're not doing it. Some of them are as simple as what I would call not living consciously. Live consciously is a pillar that we're going to touch on soon. Here's an example, though. You were totally motivated at the grocery store and you bought red peppers and carrots to snack on during the week. Come snack time, you open up your fridge. Your fridge is a mess. And those carrots and red peppers are in a slimy green bag in the back of your refrigerator. You're a little grossed out. So you close the fridge door and you grab a bag of chips instead. The problem? You might think, well, duh, the potato chips weren't nearly as healthy as the choice of the veggies. But the bigger problem? You hadn't set yourself up for success. If you had set your refrigerator up for success when you got home from the store, the outcome probably would have been very different. If you had sliced up those peppers, I know it sounds simple, but just stick with me here, and put them into a nice glass container, well then, when you opened up that refrigerator, you would have seen those red peppers looking beautiful. And you know what? It might sound really, really corny, but you would have wanted to eat them more. You'd feel better. You'd feel more organized. And then you would have reached for those red peppers. See? It's not all about the food. Living consciously and making that choice to prep those veggies can have a real impact. So let's take this example a step further. Imagine you've eaten the potato chips and now you're sitting on the couch thinking, oh, I feel so lazy. I'm just going to have more potato chips, even though I know I really should be going to the gym. You end up skipping the gym and then feeling bad about it for the rest of the evening. However, if you had eaten those peppers, you'd be feeling great perhaps, and you'd probably say, you know what, I'm going to go to the gym now. Even better, you'd say it with the attitude of, because I can, I get to go to the gym. I'm going to get that in because I feel great. The healthy eating choice will help you flip your mindset from, I have to go to the gym, for example, to an I get to. And then, you know what happens? You sleep better that night because you are able to go to the gym and exercise. When you exercise, studies show that you sleep better. When you sleep better, your hunger hormones are more in sync with actually wanting healthier foods the next day. When you don't sleep well, women actually eat on average over 300 more calories the next day. A 2016 meta analysis showed that sleep deprivation increased caloric intake by 385 calories the following day. So, it all goes together. What you eat helps you feel better, lose weight, have more energy, sleep better, helps your skin look better, prevents risk for disease. It even improves your sex life. When you then feel better, you continue to want to put better foods into your body. This helps you think better, feel better. You get it. See? It all works together.